You've been lied to about skincare. Are you guilty of these myths? Don't worry, I used to believe them too. But today, we're busting the biggest skincare lies that are secretly ruining your skin. Let's dive in. Myth number one: if you have oily skin, you don't need moisturizer. Wrong. Skipping moisturizer actually makes your skin produce more oil to compensate. The key is using a lightweight, oil free moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. Myth number two: toothpaste clears pimples. It is a big no. Sure, it might dry it out temporarily, but it also irritates your skin, leaving it red and inflamed. Instead, reach for a proper spot treatment with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Myth number three: you only need sunscreen on sunny days. Think you only need SPF when the sun's out? UV rays are sneaky. They penetrate clouds and even windows, causing premature aging and damage. So, daily sunscreen is a must. Myth number four: natural is equivalent to always better. Natural doesn't always mean safer. Lemon juice and DIY scrubs can be too harsh and damage your skin barrier. Instead, look for a dermatologist approved skincare with proven ingredients. Myth number five: hot water opens pores. Pores don't have muscles. They can't open or close. Hot water might feel like it's opening. No, but it's actually stripping your skin of moisture. Stick to lukewarm water for cleansing. Myth number six: more product is always equal to faster results. Layering 10 products won't fix your skin overnight. Overdoing it can lead to irritation and breakouts. Less is more, focus on the essentials. Did any of this surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare truths. See you in the next one.